Josh, your word is sea lion.
That's it.
Cool. Yep. Great. Yes, that is in fact correct.
I'm 36 years old.
I am 35. Zach?
I'm 31 as of the recording of this.
Brennan?
I'm also 31.
Good to know.
It's important to know that there's 4 men in their 30s here.
Oh my gosh.
Sophia.
Yeah?
Make the sound.
Okay.
Sophia.
Yeah?
Make the sound effect.
Okay.
Sophia.
Yeah?
Make the sound.
Okay.
Sophia.
Yeah?
Make the sound.
Okay. Dive in and here we go.
Very good. Zach Oyama, your word is frog.
Ribbit.
I don't know if that's point worthy. And so I'm going to toss it up to the 2 other contestants to give me their frogs to see one of them is worthy
no problem.
of the steal. Josh, it's not you yet. Brennan, give me your best frog. Pretty good. Josh, let's hear what you got.
That wasn't it yet. All right. No problem. I fucking got this, okay? Shush.
If you laugh through this, it's
All
not
right.
your point.
I know, I understand. Here's a frog coming right up. Everyone, shush. Bryn, stop. Pressure's on. Okay, only 6 seconds left. All right, ready?
Where did you get 6 seconds?
Shush!
There's
Just shush.
no clock.
Lower third, dude. Shush. All right, ready?
I think that point in particular goes to Brennan Lee Mulligan.
Are you fucked up?
Wow.
That is so dumb.
Seriously, bro? Look, I know you're a beatboxer and all, but you really just need to pump the brakes on.
Alright, I'm sorry, man.
Alright, I gotta go.
Alright, see you soon.
Seriously, bro!
Good. Very good. Very
Deal.
good.
Sophia, make this sound and I'll buy it for you.
Really? Okay. Yes.
Sophia, make this sound and I'll buy it for you.
Okay. Yes.
Sophia, make this sound and I'll buy it for you.
Okay. Wait, I want the points though, but you have to pay me back with your current card. Yay.
Sophia,
Yeah?
make this sound.
Okay.
Sophia,
Yeah?
make this sound.
Okay.
Sophia,
Yeah?
make this sound.
Okay.